Hi, I'm Reid Menge from the Fundamental Equities Global Technology team at BlackRock, and today I'll be sharing our views on the technology industry and the groundbreaking innovations we see today. The global technology industry is the most compelling area of investment in global markets because it's an industry that has superior organic growth. The tech industry benefits from multiple cycles every few decades of new investment spend. We've gone through the client-server era, the PC era, the smartphone era, and now we're in the AI era, and it's going to drive very powerful trillion-dollar spending over the next 5 to 10 years. So the most groundbreaking technologies in generative AI right now are the reasoning large language models. And these are much more advanced models that are much more accurate. They're scoring over 90% improvements relative to even PhD students in math and science. And the reason this is important is because you're getting much more accurate answers. And this is really what enterprises are waiting for with AI. They're waiting for higher levels of accuracy. And we're starting to see that now with these reasoning large language models. And the reason this is important is for investors is because reasoning large language models have much higher compute necessities to create these answers. And so investors will benefit from the AI semiconductors providing much more compute capacity to these AI model vendors. So a big part of our investment process, and I think what differentiates us, is we break down the tech sector down to the end product. And so we have a full view of the supply chain for whatever investment theme we're looking at. Currently with AI, we've broken down the supply chain into the various compute companies, and then of course you've got companies that make these AI servers and all the necessary components that go into making an AI server. A big opportunity right now is around connecting data centers. And so we see companies that provide interconnects between data centers as the next big investment opportunity because companies are grappling with connecting large clusters of GPUs in multiple data centers, and through that you can get the best large language models. And so data center interconnect companies are a big investment opportunity right now. So at BlackRock, as the technology team, we try to be at the vanguard of new technologies and implementing them into our investment process. We've been doing this for 10 years, and currently with AI, we are leading an initiative to create essentially an AI analyst, and we're calling this AHAM. And so we are creating large language models to input investment information coming from the sell side to help us comb through and find data points that we might miss normally. Our team receives thousands of emails a day, and it's just humanly impossible to essentially assemble all that information and read through it. And so we're leveraging AI to essentially consume the information for us and then present the most salient points to the portfolio managers such that we understand all the investment opportunities on a daily basis. So the biggest challenges for AI for the next 1 to 2 years will be the need for AI compute processors to continue to advance and for AI models to continue to get more intelligent. So we need to see the continuing scaling laws of compute horsepower continue to scale, and we need to ensure that these large language models continue to get better. That's going to be the biggest risk for the next 1 to 2 years. And so one of the things that we've been doing is we diversified into other areas of the AI supply chain into kind of the next generation of winners, which we see in data companies that offer proprietary data stacks because large language models want access to that data. And we're also investing more in the data infrastructure layer because enterprises are struggling with essentially consolidating their data into a single data pool to draw insights off that data. And so there's a big investment cycle underway, the Global 2000 to modernize their data infrastructure. These are software companies, and that's one of the biggest opportunities for the next few years.